cruise into the world of scrumptious vegan cuisine. Today, we're exploring 5 easy vegan dishes that are perfect for any meal. First up, we have the classic avocado toast with tomato. A ripe avocado, a fresh tomato, and a slice of crusty bread. Breakfast has never been so simple, nor so delicious. Next, get your blender ready for some classic hummus. Blend chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic to create this creamy, versatile dip. Thirdly, say hola to vegan tacos. Black beans, corn tortillas, lettuce, salsa, and avocado combine for a fiesta in your mouth. Fourth on our list is the chickpea salad sandwich. Chickpeas, vegan mayo, celery, and onion on your choice of bread. Lunch is served. Finally, we have easy peanut noodles. Noodles, peanut butter, soy sauce, lime, and your favorite veggies. Dinner is now a breeze. So there you have it. 5 easy, delicious vegan dishes to add to your culinary repertoire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which dish you're excited to try first. Until next time, stay green and keep cooking.